Welcome back to Good Vibes Travel in Thailand. Today, I'm excited to give you a sneak peek of a new condo development that promises to be one of the best yet from the award-winning developer, the Riviera Group. This boutique-style project offers 279 units of ultra-luxury living called Malibu Condo Residences, is nestled in the Pratumnak Hill area, just minutes from the beach and approximately 10 minutes south of central Pattaya. It offers an array of exceptional hotel-style, over-the-top amenities, including golf simulators, bowling alleys, a movie theater, spas, and much more. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's explore together this one-of-a-kind condo development.
Flight attendant, prepare for takeoff.
Currently under construction and estimated to be available for move-in by 2026, this project is perfect for planning your retirement, owning an investment property, or living in one of the most luxurious and coveted condo developments in Thailand. This video will serve as a sneak peek while the showroom and model bedrooms are under construction. Once it's complete, I'll take you for a tour of each bedroom layout, fit, finish, and furniture offered, including the pricing of the one-bedroom to the four-bedroom units with private pools. You'll get to see the actual design and layout of the included furniture. So, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when we showcase the models and layouts of each of the bedroom options available. While the project features standard one-bedroom units, today our focus will be on the sophisticated two- and three-bedroom duplex units, as well as the expansive four-bedroom options. Let's dive into the luxurious aspects of this project and explore this exciting development. Here we are in the temporary showroom, where we can preview the renderings, layouts, room types, facilities, and a scale model of the project. Although the showroom and model bedrooms aren't complete yet, we can still get a good sense of what's to come. This is the fifth luxury building from this developer, and it promises to be their most high-end and most desired project, yet based on its location, over-the-top amenities, and the smaller number of units offered among the developer's portfolio in the Pattaya area. Among the unique features are the two- and three-bedroom duplex units and the larger four-bedroom units, some of which boast private pools or jacuzzis on the balcony. The 30-story building includes two sky pools located on the 18th and 30th floors. The top three floors are dedicated entirely to amenities, including a restaurant, bar, full luxury fitness area, steam room, sauna, hot and cold pools, cinema room, golf simulators, bowling alley, and much more. This truly offers hotel-like facilities in a luxurious residential setting. With the smallest number of units offered by this developer, this project will feature some of the largest unit sizes for spacious, comfortable living offered by the Riviera Group. Now we are entering the lobby of a recently completed condo from this developer, where you can see the elegant design and attention to detail that will carry over to the Malibu condo project once completed. The decorative elements, luxury, and overall quality provide a five-star ambiance, distinguishing it from other condos in the area. Additionally, the units come with a comprehensive upscale furniture package, making each condo move-in ready. This includes all essential furniture, dining sets, beds and mattresses, sofas, and even electronic appliances like TVs and washing machines. The only additional items you might need are decorative touches like wallpaper or pictures. Let's now take a tour of the condo's location. It's located on Pradamnak Soi 5, right in the heart of Pradamnak Hill, a popular area in the city. The entrance is conveniently located just off a main road, providing easy access to the bustling Pradamnak Road and a short walk to Pradamnak beachfront. In just 5 minutes, you can reach the beach, which is lined with cafes, saunas, and a scenic walking strip. This prime location is a first for this developer, who typically builds outside the city center, putting residents close to numerous amenities. To sum up, we believe this is one of the top luxurious projects to watch. With its extensive facilities and the developer's proven track record, this over-the-top luxury presents a compelling living experience for less, making you feel rich here in Thailand. There you have it, a preview of what's to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified when we tour the model units available for showcasing. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, I wish you good health, good wealth, and positive vibes.
Woke up today, got a good feeling. Think I'm ready this time, got a new state of mind. Sun is shining so bright.